Welcome back, you guys, to another video. In this video, we're talking about the top 3 SPACs to buy right now going into 2021. 2020 was the year of the SPACs and investment opportunities. These are my top investments, making 63% of my portfolio. Make sure to stay until the end of the video to see a bonus SPAC that I'm adding to the list that hasn't even hit the market yet. It is being launched by a multinational conglomerate holding company and it has massive potential. I'll be giving the ticker symbol to add it into your watch list. It's expected to hit the market early next year. If you're new here, welcome to Options Temple, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. When it comes to options, timing is everything. I like to invest heavily in stocks and use options as a tool to supplement my stock positions. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. I'm going to start this list from my smallest to largest invested position. Let's start this list off with SSPK, Silver Spike Acquisition. If you watched some of my previous videos, this SPAC is no surprise. If you haven't watched that video, click on the card above to see a thorough, informative video about the merger. Weedmaps is a tech company serving the cannabis industry, founded in 2008 by Justin Hartfield and Keith Horling. Headquarters in Irvine, California, Weedmaps employs over 400 professionals around the world, including in Denver, Tucson, New York, Barcelona, and Toronto. With cannabis regulations easing up over time and a soon-to-be Biden administration, I see the cannabis industry only growing. I've been trading the cannabis industry since the boom of the cannabis IPOs in 2018. You had companies like Tilray go from $21 to $300 in just 1 month. If you guys think the EV market is hot right now, cannabis in 2018 was nuclear hot then. Since then, the stock has crashed to a low of $2.50 in March and was recently acquired by Aphria to create the biggest cannabis company. Now Tilray is trading at $8.59. The point of the story is that the cannabis industry is extremely volatile, and I always had a hard time trying to invest long-term in a winning company, therefore I never did. Now with Weedmaps, I have eliminated the risk of volatility to some degree and is investing in a tech cannabis worldwide service company with ease and not worrying about the winners and the losers. I currently hold 1,000 shares at an average price of $13.14 for a market value of $12,770. I'm currently down $369, that's 2.81%, and it's making 11% of my portfolio. The number 2 and second largest position I currently hold is BFT, Foley Tresamine Acquisition, which is merging with Paysafe. This is Bill Foley's recent SPAC. Foley is 76 and is a veteran investor who's helped build and lead companies including Fidelity National Financial Inc., the largest U.S. title insurance firm. In May, his Foley Tresamine raised $900 million in a May IPO. The entity was formed to identify businesses in fintech or process outsourcing with high recurring revenue and cash flow and strong market positions, according to its registration statement. Paysafe is a leading integrated payments platform with a two-sided consumer and merchant network whose core purpose is to enable business and consumers around the world to connect and transact seamlessly through payment processing, digital wallet, and online cash solutions. They are the number 2 in global store digital wallets. Some of the companies who use Paysafe as their digital wallet is DraftKings, Bet365, William Hill, and Betfair. They are number 1 in iGaming eCash. Some of the companies who use Paysafe for their iGaming eCash solutions is Fortnite, Twitch, and Spotify. They are number 4 in independent merchants who use their POS and e-commerce solutions for SMBS and e-commerce. DraftKings, MindBody, and Empower are some of the companies who use these services. Let's take a look at some of their projected numbers for 2021. They currently have 3.8 million users and over $1 billion in deposits on their digital wallets. Below you have some projected figures for 2021. Their eCash has 12 million active users and 650,000 distribution points year-to-date September 2020. For their integrated processing solutions, they have over 250,000 merchants and 150 plus independent software vendor integrations. The finalized projected numbers for 2021 is an additional 75% plus in e-commerce and integrations of organic revenue mix, $103 billion in volume, 1.5% take revenue divided by volume, $1.5 billion in organic revenue, and $961 million, a 63% margin, in organic gross profit. If you missed the investment opportunity in investing in companies like PayPal or Square, here's your redemption investment. This company has big names and big numbers behind the company. Definitely a company you need to consider for your next growth investment. I currently have 2,000 shares of an average price of $13.10. I'm up $4,500, 17%, with a market value of $30,700, making up 26.44% of my portfolio. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Tempo community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. And finally, my biggest and number one of the top 3 SPACs for 2021 is APXT. Apex Technology will be merging with AppPoint. AppPoint is the largest independent software vendor of software as a service solutions to migrate, manage, and protect data in Microsoft 365. They have more than 7 million cloud users, including a quarter of the Fortune 500 rely on their solutions. It was founded in 2001, over 19 years ago, by Zhuangkai Gang and Dr. Tianyi Jiang. Let's take a look at their investor deck. Digital transformations has accelerated during the pandemic, with Microsoft Cloud gaining significant momentum. 59% more or less of workforce would prefer to work remotely. 95.4% projected growth in desktop as a service in 2020. 37% increase in cloud spending in Q1 2020. This is Microsoft global market share in the business solutions below. They make 13% of infrastructure as a service business. That's $49 billion worldwide as of 2019 to July 2020. 11% in software as a service. That's $184 billion worldwide as of 2019 to July 2020. And 28% of productivity and collaboration. That's $3 billion in worldwide team collaboration applications, market share in 2019 through August 2020. They bridge the gaps between what Microsoft Cloud offers and what the enterprise requires. To the left, you see Microsoft tools, and to the right, you see AppPoint Cloud and on-premise solutions, giving you a visual representation of the bridge between the two companies. Let's go over some of their customers. They service a wide range of worldwide industry leaders such as NBC, Disney, ESPN, Verizon, Time Warner Cable, Porsche, Mattel, Caterpillar, Kaiser, Pfizer, Bristol Myers, Bank of America, JP Morgan, Progressive, the US Treasury Department, the IRS, and NASA, just to name a few. Let's look at some of their financials. They have an average growth rate of 23.5% quarter over quarter from Q1 2019 to Q2 2020. Their projected financials from 2019 to 2022 has an average growth rate of 38% recurring revenue and 30% revenue. Summarizing, this company is my current favorite and number one investment. I have 2,001 shares at a market value of $33,000 with an average cost of $11.52 per share. I'm up $10,000, that's a 43% return. Although 2 of these SPACs are on the run, I still think there's massive opportunity for them in 2021. I believe this is only the beginning. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Tempo community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Now, for the bonus SPAC that hasn't hit the market, I'm talking about SoftBank's newly registered SPAC, ticker symbol SBFA. This SPAC is not currently tradable and should be available early next year. For those not familiar with SoftBank, SoftBank is a Japanese multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Minato, Tokyo. SoftBank owns stakes in many technology, energy, and financial companies. It also runs Vision Fund, the world's largest technology-focused venture capital fund with over $100 billion in capital. The company is known for its leadership by founder Masayoshi Son. It operates in broadband, fixed-line telecommunications, e-commerce, internet, technology services, finance, media and marketing, semiconductor design, and other areas. SoftBank was ranked in the Forbes Global 2000 list as the 36th largest public company in the world and the second largest publicly traded company in Japan after Toyota. I will not be going into deep details about this merger in this video, but I will be making its own dedicated video in the next few days. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. I trade and invest very aggressively for rapid growth according to my risk tolerance.